Can't wait to get up out of here, bro. Start bugging me out, man. Hey, yo, let me use your aux cord, bro. I'm not getting in your car. You know I gotta use your aux cord. You know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, you all in my face, bro? I'm saying I can't get the aux cord, though. I just need the aux cord, man. I got a new song I want to listen to, bro. Like, look, last time you used my aux cord, nigga, it ain't work when you got out my car. I'm gonna let you use my aux cord. I got a little challenge for you, though. You gotta do a full with a pump, and I'll let you use my aux cord all the way home, bro. All the way home. What? What's a 4 with a pump? You really want to know? You really want to know? Do me a favor. Take off your glasses. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, clean look of your face. This how you play this game. Give him the aux cord, not. Give him the aux cord, not. Give him the aux cord. That's how you feel? Well, that's how you feel. You're going to smack the nigga because he asked for the aux cord. That's how you doing it? You know what? I don't even need your ride, dog. I'm good. I'm good, bro. Nah. You and your aux cord, y'all can have a good day, bro. I'll find the bus or something.